Okay, so the age group that I'm going to be teaching probably won't be using anything on the computer other than preschool games, but I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint about an animal that I might use. So you're going to open up PowerPoint. You can either do a blank presentation or pick one. I'm going to pick this one because it's cute. So then it'll open up and this is your title slide. So I'm going to name it Farm Animals. And then I don't need this box, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on the outside and then push delete. I'll need another, let me put an S on there. Need another slide, so I'm going to go up here and click new slide. I can put a title in, so my first animal could be, let's just say a cow. So here's my cow slide. I'm going to need a picture, so I'm going to head and minimize this, go down to my Safari, open it up. Whoa. I'm going to go up here to Google. I'm going to type in cow and see, it'll pop up some pictures, click images. Let's see, this one's pretty cute. So I'm going to click on him. I'm going to double click because I have a Mac. If you have a Windows computer, I think you right click. I'm going to go down to save image as. I'm just going to save this image as cow to my desktop. Maybe. Right here, desktop. That'll be easiest to find. I'm going to go back up and minimize it. Go back down to my PowerPoint presentation. Go here. They show 6 different little icons. Go ahead and click the one that looks like a picture. It'll pop up and you're going to go down to desktop. And there's our cow picture. Double click and it'll insert it right in right there for you. So that's pretty much how I would do the whole presentation. Obviously, I changed some fonts and maybe some color scheme and stuff, but yeah, that's about it.